Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, we are talking about what has been basically expiring in June, the Secure Boot certificates. And of course, some people don't have them. Some people, there's all sorts of reasons why. I posted a video with different manufacturers and links to these manufacturers to explain how to update, for example, some Acer machines. I've seen that I got one here, the Acer laptop that I got for a gaming laptop doesn't go through Windows Update for the certificates. Remember, you can go to your Windows Security app to know if you have it, and you simply have to go to Device Security tab, look at Secure Boot, make sure that it says Secure Boot is on, all required certificate updates have been applied. But some of you might have right now a different message. It might say devices in this group are affected by unknown issues. The reduced risk Secure Boot certificates updates are temporarily paused while Microsoft and partners work towards supported solution. Contact your device manufacturer for assistance. Microsoft has confirmed for a certain group of users, depending on the PC you're using and the age of the firmware and so on, they have paused the Secure Boot certificate updates for some of you. And they are looking at a solution to see how they can push the updates. They're saying they're not pushing them because it could create some problems on PCs. And so they're looking at the evolution and how they can apply these updates. And of course, we'll come back with some fixes. They are saying that they really are working hard to try to have everybody on board with the latest certificates for Secure Boot on PCs. So if you don't have them, you might have that message. There might be all sorts of ways that you're not getting them. Once again, I want to focus on one thing. It's not a big deal for people that aren't using secure features like BitLocker and so on. It does require that a bad guy have access in some way to your computer in order to do anything. But of course, if you can get these updates for certificates, it is better. A lot of you have Secure Boot just turned off by default by the manufacturer. So we'll see what happens with that next. But Microsoft says it's working on a fix for some of you that are basically right now blocked from getting any of the updates for certificates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.